Hello. So I stopped watering my sweet potatoes a long time ago, and I have just decided that I'm just gonna go ahead and pull them because we have been getting some cold weather. The like leaves on the sweet potatoes have not died back all the way yet, but figure why not. We're coming towards the end of the season. It's October 20 something, and yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and dig these up, see what we got, if anything. We know how my potato history has been. But thank you for joining me today. In case you did not know, my name is Brittany Buss, and this is All Buss No Fuss Gardening. Let's get to it. Alright, so this bag right here is one of the bags of sweet potatoes that I have planted. Like I said, as you can see, the foliage still looks pretty good, but it's coming to the end of the season, and I think I'm gonna just roll with it. That one, and then this one here is one that I planted at the beginning of summer as well, or middle of summer, I don't remember. And this third one here was, I don't think anything's gonna be in there because that was kind of an accident. So we'll see if anything comes of that. We'll see if anything comes of either of these, because I'm hopeful. I don't think anything's gonna come of them, but we'll see. We'll see. Go and grab gloves. Be right back. She is back with her gloves. And what I'm gonna do is just throw these potatoes down, throw the bags down on this tarp, empty them out, and see what has come of them. Alright, so this is what we got from that first bag. It's not a whole lot, but it is enough for me to do this again next year, because in my heart of hearts, y'all, I had no faith that I would get anything, because I realized later on in the season that I probably have been using too much nitrogen fertilizer. So I'm going to use the knowledge that I've learned this year growing to try and do this again next year. But this is a win for me. Like, this is a win for me, okay? We're going to put this bag back and start on our second one. If my sleeves will stay up. On to the next. So a few more from that bag. I'm not mad at it. I'm low-key getting excited, y'all, because I had zero faith that anything was gonna come of these bags, and I got potatoes. I got sweet potatoes. Yay! Also, I found a random pecan. It's bad, but found a pecan in that bag. I'm sure one of these squirrels buried it. We've been living here several years, and I am just now, at the end of the season, finding out that this whole time there's been a pecan tree in our backyard. So next year, I will be ready. I will be ready. And now we are going to go ahead and empty out that last bag over there in the corner, our accidental sweet potato bag. It started out as a russet potato bag, but then a slip got in there somehow. So I don't think there's going to be anything in there, but we're still going to empty it and see if there's anything to come of it. So that bag lived up to expectation. I got absolutely not jack squat. Okay? Alright. But, like I said, our harvest, however, is beautiful. Let me get you a close-up. So this is what we have. And I think what I'm going to do is take all these little tiny nuggets and toss them back in the bags, and we will see if anything comes of those next season. Otherwise, if nothing comes of them, they will just kind of break down in the soil and become organic matter. I also put all of the potato leaves back in one of those bags too, just because it'll break down eventually. So we got potatoes, y'all. We got sweet potatoes. We got sweet potatoes, and I am excited. I am gonna clean up my mess here that I have made. Sorry, I'm a bit distracted, y'all. I keep hearing stuff around me, and I think I'm going crazy. But I'm gonna clean up my mess and take my bounty inside. Side note, my loofah is starting to yellow. It's been, like I said, it's been getting kind of cold. So I'm wondering if I should harvest them now and let them dry out the rest of the way in the house, or leave them out here until like the weather breaks cold and stays consistently cold, because it's starting to warm up again this week. So I don't know. If you've grown loofah before, let me know, because I have no clue what I'm doing here, y'all. I think y'all know that already though. So we're here on the journey together. We're learning together. But like I said, that is all that I have for you today. Thank you again for joining me on this journey and the sweet potato harvest, because my husband was not interested. So I appreciate you. I appreciate you, my viewer. Anyway, if you have not done so already, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if not, just tune in for the next video, because you might like that one. You never know. See? Right. Anyway, I hope you have a beautiful evening. Thank you again. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.